PFUNZO ndi IFA. Murado kaudare vana vamkala uno ndi Ampfa Phas1 mwana wa dembe na mukondereni samunga na mungo ndo bebonga ndivo na ndivo we were all born for a knowledge to embrace wisdom and form a strong bondage, and it is the Lord who gives wisdom. From him comes knowledge and understanding. Mirero ndi mane ubiri ndi mane urati ndivo we were all born for a purpose, for God had known you before he made you, and the main reason behind it. PFUNZO ndi IFA. Vana vaunga vasiyana milicha kwine PFUNZO usiyamba ngazvamba mwaro fedzi bhuku ringadzivada ringasizipedze PFUNZO khulu ndi uchiro PFUNZO ibvawo kachenjemo nakhaedu dzali pasi funza vana uvaeletshedze nga zwe watangana ngazo ndikhe ifa lihulu ndi PFUNZO we masheleni sikohana nawo ndi akuthogwa fedzi nne amana baba ndo shambukana ndafedza angava vabebi chulwane vontsiyana chedza chipenyererawo chimbondechera kuchiro anga ote PFUNZO ndi IFA. Nawo vorisiya ndava musi watsiwa na khulu avangontsiya ndi ndote haiwa imanyana vondaye vakadichira chidai windirani ndingadaiwa ndasala ndokhela ngauri PFUNZO ndi IFA zve vamfunza na mbava ingaguduba yaneta imwe khe ikhodanga mapeta nangu usathothoni yonothoma ukweta zvifete zvidofetelela mushumo wazvo ngupeta lupfumo luhulu alufarenga zwanḓa PFUNZO ndi IFA. As we pass on wisdom, knowledge and advices to the next generation, we set them up for a lifetime with life-empowering education. Teach them honesty, teach them humility, teach them love, teach them to be joyful at all times. Oh God, above all, teach them to pray. After all, let us keep living. Experience is the best tutor. We live to learn. Let them pass on their own to the next generation. Salam meanga, ritoyoto konderera, uchiro ayapanda. PFUNZO ndi IFA. Ampfa Phas1.